Ati efe mo bibia akwaba eba channel si na sesemi amene wo ka say the breaking news and asensema ekọ afana wo Ghana he nyina e kyerɛ sɛ Anas areme yaw Anas and defamation case a wo de kodan court say honorable Kennedy Agyapong yes we defame mu na court ndi asenema na yes Anas areme yaw Anas every ni case ama manfo bebe na e ka say afei de shada enye honorable Kennedy Agyapong na because oni kwekuba ko case we di nchotesi nani megu ase ama ye hu say honorable Kennedy Agyapong ensema ya tori bi okeka no enye no kwe but Anas areme yaw Anas nsemi Anas say court nsem say manfo bebe na e feel say Anas we wi ni Anas say de ye di nkonim frank abono no enye sa na ti a nsem bebre won nsem we mu a ayese Ghana fo no enhyeda en read story na na so omo fo mani endi nsem na chi ehun bebi efi ene ni akwakosi ni e ba court adismiss case na ansa na ye beto to some more details na ewa homa ne so ma no akwaba na ye de ni aka nyina ye de achie no abro na makwaba
menu aba bejozo
bibia bokọ ye de ehia ache
yep bibia bokọ yeah
de nyame asna ene de ni aba beto edwane se ye Anas areme yaw Anas ye na asema o de kodan court endi man with honorable Kennedy Agyapong edifame no wo ye who watches the watchman video honorable Kennedy Agyapong ba ye no ene court adismiss asem no na me cheche mu kakra ma wate asena se bibia wo ha nso wo ho de ka ho ye nyina nim se Anas honorable Kennedy Agyapong omo nsem e wo court edi asem no na emre bidru ya court ekote na se ye kwakoti asem na ye se honorable Kennedy Agyapong ni lawyers bisa Anas question bi Anas lawyers question bi on pese omunya no Anas lawyers no empese meyi anu akese ewi echire no omo chiro ekoma court of appeal ba ma me manana embre mu na ensem we no omo ye more details wo se ne yekosi ye de ba ye na court adismiss asem na Africa so yes etwa sika ma honorable Kennedy Agyapong because we delay enema bi e wo court na ensem we no enchechemu pa etisen.
All right me pese me this akonya we answer na me chance me pese me this akonya we e be chia ye tifo nyina mo hwe ye Damasene mu kranche ne mu nsema ya moka mu say in crying no. Now first of all in some course nuaba people are I don't know why certain journalists in Ghana omudi omofu enim sa you see ye osamanfo edi ne credim. I mean if Kennedy Agyapong has lost the case I mean incident if he has really lost the case because asem no he has not lost any case. That is the truth. Or lose a case bia but even if at the end of the day he loses the case, so what? Is he the first person to lose? Even if he should lose all the cases, so what?
He's not the first person to lose the case.
Yes, but let us yes, but then
what's that Sunday honorable Kennedy Agyapong akwa Ghana na manfo bebre ebu ne say so on your opache say on the ogina homa do kre no and oka it means ni aka bi aye ntro nti so court no lusi a eno kire say ono no ogina homa no kre no enya no kre no beka aye na emu na da bi no de dada Ghana fo adwana say ntro say no so beka kire Ghana fo
akoyi oye bob say for my mistake am fan chemi you say Thomas Edison say one of these people are oye bob. The guy tried it was it 999 times or so. And at 1,000 times he succeeded. It tells you we also when you can lose all the battles, but there's something bigger.
Okay.
Oh, I'm not being biased or stupid in terms of comparing it to this. But let's go on the case. For Monty Asiye. You say Anas any Kennedy Agyapong sense him ye Anas de a year number 12 by ya. Kennedy Agyapong say the modus operandi modus operandi e kwan a wo fa so a wo de ye wade no in this case in this scenario Anas kwan a wo fa so de any investigation according to Kennedy Agyapong no his modus operandi no it doesn't fall in line with the ethics of journalism and no
okay
what I say it based on that no Anas the heat of the moment say Kennedy Agyapong akeke nsem bi afa no ho enye no kre Intenya no crane the process Kennedy Agyapong is denting on his good image that is Anas Armia Anas. And obi so ya de na wo hwe na or sell image the place to talk about the case is courts. And Anas is you Kennedy Agyapong for 25 million Ghana cedis. And the boss Kweku Bako's follow the same suit. I mean fine. We've seen how Kweku Bako's own have actually played out. But still they are quite appeal. What I say good. But for Anas any Kennedy Agyapong case so it's nowhere near end. Afe kra na go no.
Opa kire say case no enya hya
ase. Afe kra na asha ase.
Nti bi e be yi kra de ye nkomios.
Oh, itina mbe kire yo. Ne nyina ne say King Japan any Anas lawyers ekushia because in same way of course I think the King Japan court once. Now King Japan kase Anas o the court. If o the court, show your face. At least come and let me see the person. You see, there's a popular song. I think it's one of these hip hop guys, Rick Ross, said then. Also, I pray to God I see my killer in the face. Okay. Basically, the killer here is the enemy. Into be or the court, they say, yes. We need to see the person who is putting you to trial. Anas and back, they be your man a lawyer. And King Japan too went there once. He didn't waste time. He has time to do other things. Into one cobio. Into case na ekosono. King Japan on court obio. The lawyers any dia semna Anas the lawyers any dia semna mana. Into in some ne kosono. Ena the lawyers of King Japan and the council of King Japan. Eka say they want the lawyers of Anas Arimia Anas. To please mention the people in who watches the watchman. Who watches the watchman? A friend is saying investigation and not expose King Japan so they buy
about Anas.
About Anas. Say one more claim is Anas or a demigod or a journalist no or no so a few one who. And there's nothing wrong with that. Everybody should be exposed in this country. And at the Biamica, he who comes into equity must do equity, and he who comes into equity must do clean hands. These are the Maxim's theory and the Maxim's law theory. It is practiced in law. Based on this, and the judge actually in court said we have two things. It's either if you raise a question, the opposition, which means the defendant or the plaintiff can get up and say objection, my honor. Objection in say in some okano. Or more patches say maybe bisa question and I some now mean bisa obetima answer question also bisa because maybe I can call no enye ho na also can call it who raises our objection now and a judge make us objection sustained say mean bisa question and as objection overruled nature say nipa no betimi bisa question a simple law terms in this case the judge actually overruled sustained objection from Anas client. The lawyers of King Japan the lawyers of Anas say they should mention those people who watches their watchman, and they raise an objection say we can't answer that question that question it me answer and a judge Nika say yes they can't answer that question the scenario and answer the explanation and ask lawyers and say no produce who watches the watchman. That is it. Those were the claims of the lawyers of Anas Arimia Anas, and the judge actually sustained that objection. Say yes, the objection should carry on. They shouldn't answer any question because
provide video no.
Yes, and no produce video no. And who production yeah they. It's based on that na King Japan lawyers and say if they are not going to answer that question, then they won't ask any question again. Okay. After that court session, and in some court of appeal. Court of appeal, they said they still want the lawyers of Anas and Anas himself to mention those people who watches the watchman. Who say Anas Anas because Adia of them court say me go no. Adia of them court say me go no. I was so back at him say mina woman na mina me say who man then why should you take me to court? Okay. What I say, me video be about, we see video no, me the video be about me see be a whole sex tape. A whole sex tape and now video we say nya wo HO the mark course me go mufi. Video na e buy a woman na udim. It's a simple thing. Yes, so that is what they want to know, and they objected that they sustained that objection. Say it mean besides our question. So they took the case to the court of appeal. And they actually took the case to court of appeal on two grounds. The first ground was for Anas Arimia Anas, the lawyers and the council, no, and Anas Sankasa to actually name the people who watches the watchman. Okay. That's the expose by King Japan. And the second ground was to halt the whole case. In law terms, a friend is stay of proceedings. You halt the case because according to the lawyers of King Japan, case is bogus in the first place. Yes, they wanted to just claim for an affair for a stay of proceedings. Say case now cause bungu no be criticized. Why a normal thing? We all take criticism in this world in our daily affairs. It's a normal. It's a court of appeal. No, court of appeal. They are also going to call the parties involved. Remember, there's a difference between court of appeal and the Accra High Court no moody case, which means Accra High Court no moody case. No, at the end of the day, no, ye ndi ama omo into omo for that particular two motions omo the court of appeal. They took the lawyers of Anas Arimia Anas to court of appeal. Anas Arimia Anas so asemi de kofa omo any lawyers na was so be your man. So they face King Japon's people in the court of appeal. So what you say?
Matthias yo intino to say asem no ni ama mafo na se Ghana fo bebe ka say ona book ni Agyapong lose case.
E ho na me ba ho no. E ho na me ba ho no. Into omo the court of appeal no ena the omo di asem na for a while ene and I think a verdict no about verdict nyane say in some another grounds are King Japan lawyers no mo ka say chinchina Anas Arimia Anas and then the lawyers omo answer people the omo answer the question of the people who are in the who watches the to watchman. Name the people in who watches the watchman. That's they should answer the question say they should name the people who watches they should name all of them that particular question. Court of appeal eka say that objection is actually sustained again. Which means Anas Arimia Anas and the lawyers no, they are not supposed to answer any questions. And aside from that too, they are still proceedings and no more say case dismissing no, on every grounds and now grounds are not on ban. According to the court of appeal, you can't dismiss a case like that just because you don't find it tangible. Because at the end of the day, the case must proceed. It is some no. What is it? A ban say in Japan lose case. No mum. Siketue be mo 15 million 1,500 Ghana cedis, which is equivalent to $200. Say $300. Enye sika. Ni nyina ne say omo de court of appeal no. This time around no omo de King Japan. Omo de Anas Arimia Anas and then the lawyers court of appeal. Until when they come to make any entries, which means that they need to make an appearance, they need to file the case, they need to actually defend themselves in court. All of those times omo beni na and who can any catch okay, mu King Japan any more lawyers mo na mo de case ne ba court of appeal into oma badia any boa omo legal fees ni tuamo. That is it.
1,500.
And yes e bia King Japan e lose case no. Mu tie mi Ghana for. This is it. People are writing in saying Japan has lost the first round of the case. Listen, if he loses the case, and so what?
It's a news.
A news.
So something because I'm no. Honorable Kennedy, I'm off who say.
And I'm so make catch us. No, you are making a big mistake. And I'm so make catch us say, Bob I see so whatever studio one. The person who did the Bob failed 999 times. Bob Marley, Obu ya answer anano. Bob Marley never took any of the Grammys and anything. And then we will crown it me awarding every year Grammy. But to me, the elements in some King Japan there's some elements that we need to consider it. And as there's a certain element of consideration that we Ghanaians we need to take a look at. I'm not against Anas. I like Anas. But at the same time too, I'm saying say Ejumano say Ebemano wateno. And was here then your bobo one I say we need to critique it. That is what King Japan is doing. The way he actually goes about things. But there's nothing wrong in criticizing Anas. There's nothing wrong. Or yeah, they was here criticizing. Or also the bonnet there was so people more they no exposed. But you see, whichever the way, or also a year jume now saying coronavirus case here be yadi. We've seen say a man for say no coronavirus we don't have the medicine yet. They are all doing a fantastic job. By the end of the day, King Japan losing the case. And yes, Ben Pesegana Frontier say King Japan has not lost any case. No no. It's same one say Omonde Anas in the lawyers court of appeal no. Ena a year at the end of the day no case somebody call against King Japan Anas in the lawyers no. Iti appearance Anas in the lawyers make here no. Say yaba mo di asema kwa appeal court yaba ya faka aba in and out ya make appearance e be defend here home. Fees sika it's just your normal court activity and this time around King Japan lawyers no. And they will say tuya saka no. In the same vein, if Anas in the lawyers and ka omo de ebia asem na ese ebia be dismiss no mo di asem na court of appeal same way near the court of appeal na I know say Anas for Anas lawyers na e dey be court of appeal. Omo the court of appeal na your friend King Japan lawyers no will be making in their submission and say they come and key in their case at the end of the day if Anas lawyers lose they will say the time of spending your legal fees no yes uncle for we Anas lawyers omo fin tia King Japan ka that is it What I say? Yes.
What if Senka honorable Kennedy lawyers didn't call court of appeal naka we knew or in legal fees be or honomusua and ask me to and say
well, that one the committee marker said the legal fees won't be awarded. What I say? Yes, because I know the which means substantiated the claim and I say sema on the bar courts. We understand that. But even that, Anas will have still fight and have fought on. There's no way they are sending court of appeal and Anas will just sit down and says, okay, they are court of appeal because the guy also wants to preserve his integrity. He will also want to preserve his image. There's an image fight here. Everybody wants to preserve his image, his credibility, and his stand in society. If Agyapong should lose all of this, in as much as he can be standing, it's a big blow to him and his integrity. But forever, some of us will respect him. The same way Anas, honestly, and his credibility is being questioned. If he should also lose this particular case, then it's further is going to go a long way to further dent his credibility. I'm saying Anas' credibility is being questioned because also corrupt. So he needs to actually come and defend himself. So that is it.
You say case you to the dates when you to the ashe.
You too said that, but the case is still going. I believe say
who say you see October 30th. No create be wo musa.
Say October, September. At the end of the day, it's but if I make predictions, I'll tell you that this case can even span for 2 years. At the end of the day, I don't think Agyapong will lose. But along the way, there'll be more shocking revelations. Ebeba out.
Ebeba out against
me boni panidi. But there'll be more shocking revelations. Ebeba out. And at the end of the day, even if Agyapong his evidence falls short, you book assemblyman Anasa, it won't be more than 100,000. I'm going to do 50,000. Yeah, we're gonna see you guys should just watch.
And then I say, who GDS on Abu Bewini, even if when we
and yes, I'm more GDS Obewini. You see, I like the battle of the fittest. Or moving see Anas himself, they be a mekasa Anas himself. No, onusu enipa. So we are born we are kola we are enamon when we yebi. Onusu enipa. Now the video be by and say no, I mean to me confirm me. Yes, you be as these are cases where hoyatete. But for us to see a video and see his face, what I said, then it tells you, Obibeka say, but if you correlate the pictures about beginning of who watches the watchman, the passport near the day, but Pim now in the picture be a drop here or Chado Sedenya, it's the same person. But whether it is him or not, and the Juman Yepe is doing a great job. By the end of the day, or no, so Bibio or Ye Bibi Nenya, I was Sieka. At the same time, if Agyapong is doing something which is not good, I was saying, yes.
Okay, finally, now honorable signing same about Chief Justice be home.
Yes, that particular
Chief Justice no, I just bribe, but bribe no J and a BMW 7 Series, and now J and also home some ewo.
Yes, you see, media Ghana media and Kasano more big problem. You guys are fixated. Wakansi. That man has already taken Agyapong to court. I think so. Your Oba was saying, pardon the gender. I think so. Your Oba, that Chief Justice have already taken Agyapong to court because in who watches the watchman, I think Agyapong said, and ask man, our Chief Justice no, and our Chief Attorney be an Attorney General be bribed. I think so. Only deny them. On na or the Agyapong court on also issue Agyapong for 25 million. And no can I said the court to the Facebook no bo ni didn't say. And also, I know you're one of the pending court cases of Agyapong. I believe Agyapong will lose. In some submission, a mass answer me in a say, lawyers are announced a investigation effort. Now, no, you see, a bimko Agyapong chair, or mun lose or mejumano, or multifia, a bimko for who will know. Agyapong and that rumor, and this particular new Attorney General, no, or my bomotia, almost certificate, and I say, the Omudi Juma, I don't know how to put it. What they used to work, their credentials, and I say, the Omudi Juma, Mokrata, Omudi Juma, or certificate, they can't still practice law, and they can't be judges anymore. Until for the past 5 years or 6 years, Omudi Juma, now I could school my lawyer, Juma Ben Pana Besanko Yebium. 7 years of school ain't easy for just a mistake. And I believe saying be a trauma so say okay. Your mom practice the law for maybe 3 years and 2 years. Not each year, their mom it will be better. But say you better disqualify more something else. Since Nyanko Padum na through this campaign say nobody is perfect no and attorney general actually as almost certificate a revoke here no ya sounds why the revive here me no can say the Nyankopon adom lawyer quiz justice case quiz and most of the lawyers and judges omo we nyina buy nyina Nyankopon adom ya free about 90% the others so ye from say wa unje unya information bra na bebeje okrata na ko practice we. So that was the question na Agyapong AC so aka say who chief justice awuja amanfo certificate edito wo say amanfo ayebone iti omo empathy le omo nye djuma omo entimi enye omo day to day activity enfidi omo family. Now who say chief justice no kra no there's a question mark on you as a question mark and say yes you koji Mercedes Benz and no yembo chief justice be edim but say former chief justice. So that is the whole thing now. BMW Agyapong can say yes which is which Agyapong has actually said say if he the chief justice lies I find him kokot and also I think say very soon also be try say or the but whichever they will be at the end of the day no see it's where the anya simbia we should actually fixate on the good things he's doing. Like I said, lawyers be bria ya did your certificate at all because of Anas and then you certificate a revoke in no Nyankopon do ya san revive certificate say oh brave na you show ni video and another oh brave na or what video of a Anasa na oye lawyer Anasa oye judge you revoking the case maybe you two school fees for the past 4 years what if ya or they are done in Sanoma na ene yes some be certificate no ko to ani juma oye wo ba so I believe so you'll be happy for him because nobody is perfect in this world.
Say nobody is perfect in the honorable Agyapong Anas case say na HH munya dey honorable Lucy case na emomu court of appeal or tamko say questions you person Anas lawyers answer man once and no na court at dismiss here yes into two case no their question the 30th of October until say the way any sema between Anas and honorable Agyapong.